Hello, my name is David, and welcome to my channel, David's Healthy Changes. I've decided to document my changes in lifestyle through various behaviors because I need a new hobby to replace watching movies. So I figured the best way to do so is to create my own short movies or episodes about things like nutrition, exercise, daily habits, techniques that I've learned to improve my outlook on life, my journey to get where I am, and a bit of philosophy. I wish this change in my life was voluntary. I've tried in the past and failed to change my outlook, reaction to events, and behaviors. After over 20 years of not consistently taking care of my body, relationships, and daily routines, I have found myself with some health issues due to my inflammation in my body, which has caused things like nerve damage, mucus buildup, lower back pain, but also depression, which led to lack of motivation and ultimately lack of discipline in daily routines. Basically, a negative feedback cycle. Other reasons include realizing how poor quality of life my quality of life has become, not being able to run anymore, isolation in all my relationships, and I mentioned finding myself escaping to binge watch movies, internet research rabbit holes, projects I start and never finish, unemployment, loss of my savings, and compulsive destructive behaviors. I'll share more about these in future episodes. But for instance, as I'm scripting this episode, I'm cooking a chicken pot pie and I intend to have a frozen pizza later today. This is in addition to a diet, which I have been doing on and off for the last 2 weeks. I don't consider it a diet. It's a deficit calorie nutritional plan, which I'll explain in depth in at least one future episode. As with everything in my life, I told myself that I would start being disciplined tomorrow. This is why I'm doing this today. My goals are as follows: to lose 2 pounds per week until June of 2025, when I hope to do the second phase of my journey, which I'll address in a future episode. I am currently 220 pounds. 2, to restore parts of my health. 3, to be able to run 10 miles again without injury. 4, to restore my motivation and discipline in every area of my life. 5, to release my attachment to compulsive behaviors like overeating and using alcohol and smoking when I'm feeling successful, or like a failure, or if I'm bored. The boredom is what this project is designed for, to create an alternative behavior. 6, to hopefully inspire other people to make positive changes to their lives and be amused for the systems they incorporate in their lifestyle. I have no guarantees of the frequencies of my postings on this channel and on X, formerly known as Twitter, but I am trying to limit my time documenting these to 4 hours per week, basically the equivalent of watching 2 movies, because I have to look for work, volunteer, and get to know new people. I apologize for the low-budget nature of this video production. Hopefully with time, I will develop better video editing experience and will be able to afford better software. I feel like it is symbolic, though, that it's a shoestring budget because I literally have no money in the bank and I'm living off things like food stamps and charity. Thank you for your interest. Please check back periodically for new episodes or subscribe to my channel to be alerted when new episodes are uploaded.